Hello everyone, I am Dr. M.A. Sabita, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Chemistry, Sadakatullappa College, Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu.
In Module 3, I am going to discuss about the applications of infrared spectroscopy. The first important thing is to know about the fingerprint region. The IR spectrum is roughly divided into two parts. One is characteristic frequency, which ranges between 4000 to 1500 per centimeter, and the fingerprint region, which ranges between 1500 to 900 per centimeter. This region below 1550 per centimeter is known as the fingerprint region. It has many absorptions due to bending vibrations and also stretching vibrations of C single bond C, C single bond O, and C single bond N bonds. So it is used to determine the identity of the compounds. Similarly, an identity of an unknown compound can be revealed by comparing its IR spectrum with that of the known compound. So the useful observation in the fingerprint region is given by the group CH2 deformation, which appears in the region of 1417 to 1440 per centimeter, and transalkene C double bond CH will appear in the region of 1000 to 950 per centimeter. Next one is determination of force constant. So we know the formula nu bar is equal to 1 by 2 pi c root of k by mu per centimeter, where V bar represents the vibration frequency in per centimeter, c is the velocity of light, and mu is the reduced mass. So squaring this equation on both sides, the equation will become mu bar squared is equal to 1 by 4 pi squared c squared k by mu. And rearranging the equation, we get k is equal to 4 pi squared c squared mu bar squared mu. So force constant k can be easily calculated. The qualitative relation of force constant to bond energies. So using the force constant value, which is obtained from this equation 4 pi squared omega squared mu or 4 pi squared c squared omega bar squared mu, the strength of the chemical bond can be determined. Suppose we compare the bond strengths of HF and HC. The force constant for HF is found to be 9.7 into 10 power 5 dynes per centimeter, and for HC it is found to be 7.84 dynes per centimeter. So the higher value of force constant for HF shows that it is stronger than HCl bond. Mode of vibrations of polyatomic molecules. So we'll see about the normal vibration modes of carbon dioxide molecule. So all know that carbon dioxide is a linear molecule. So the normal modes of vibration can be calculated using the formula 3n minus 5. So the number of atoms will be 3. So 3 into 3 minus 5, that will be equal to 4. So the symmetric stretching, asymmetric stretching, symmetric bending and scissoring will be found in this molecule, and it will appear at nu bar 1 is equal to 1330 per centimeter for symmetric stretching, which is IR inactive, and for antisymmetric stretching nu bar 3 is equal to 2349 per centimeter and it is IR active, and for symmetric bending and scissoring the nu bar 2 will be equal to 667 per centimeter and it is also found to be IR active. So two bands are observed in the IR spectra of CO2 molecule. Next, normal modes of vibration of water molecule. So water is a non-linear molecule, that is a bent molecule, V-shaped molecule. So the normal modes of vibration can be calculated using the formula 3n minus 6. The number of atoms here is again 3. So 3 into 3 minus 6 will be equal to 3. So 3 bands appear in the IR spectra. Nu bar 1 is equal to 36517 per centimeter and nu bar 2 is equal to 1595 per centimeter and nu bar 3 is equal to 3755.8 per centimeter. Applications of infrared spectroscopy. First application is structural elucidation of organic molecules. So from the IR frequency, the structure of the molecule can be elucidated by knowing the functional group present in the molecule. So different functional groups have different absorption frequencies, so that denote the structure of the molecule. So functional groups such as OH, C double bond H, or C double bond O, OH, C double bond C, or C double bond O observes within a narrow range of frequency. So this molecule or these functional groups can be predicted easily in the IR spectrum. And the bonds of hydrogen with the heavier atoms such as nitrogen, oxygen, or carbon observe at the higher end of the frequency range. For example, OH will have the frequency range of 3650 to 3600 per centimeter, and CH will appear at 2900 per centimeter, and NH bond will appear in the frequency range of 3300 per centimeter. So the vibration bonds of two heavier atoms, Cn, Co, and Cc, observe radiation at the lower end of the frequency range. So Cc, Co, and Cn bonds, they appear in the frequency range of 1300 to 800 per centimeter. C double bond C, C double bond O, C double bond N, and N double bond O will appear in the frequency range of 1900 to 1500 per centimeter. Also, the vibration of the heavier atoms bonded to very heavy atoms like CCl, CBr, and Ci will observe still at the lower end of the frequency range. So they appear at C double bond C 1668 to 1640 per centimeter, and C triple bond C will observe at 2260 to 2100 per centimeter. So the characteristic IR frequencies of some functional groups are tabulated. So here the C double bond C in alkene will have the frequency range of 1680 to 1620 per centimeter. If the alkene is present in the symmetrical conjugated diene, then the absorption frequency will be 1600 per centimeter, and in unsymmetrical conjugated diene it will be 1650 to 1600 per centimeter. In C triple bond C bond, in alkynes, the absorption occurs at 2260 to 2100 per centimeter. If we consider the CH bond stretching, in aromatics it will appear at 3100 to 3000 per centimeter, and for methyl alkanes it will be at 3000 to 2850 per centimeter. In methylene in alkanes it will appear at 2950 to 2850 per centimeter, and for aldehydes the frequency will be 2830 to 2695 per centimeter for CH. Now going to the C double bond O, in aliphatic ketones, the absorption frequency is 1725 to 1700 per centimeter. In alkyl ketones, it is 1700 to 1680 per centimeter. In diaryl ketones, it is 1670 to 1660 per centimeter. And for aliphatic aldehyde, 1740 to 1720 per centimeter. And for aromatic aldehyde, the frequency range is 1715 to 1695 per centimeter. Another important functional group is OH. The OH bond in alcohols and phenols, which are free from hydrogen bonding, will appear at 3650 to 3580 per centimeter, and intermolecular hydrogen bonding will appear at 3500 to 3200 per centimeter, and intramolecular hydrogen bonding will appear at 3590 to 3420 per centimeter, and intramolecular chelates of hydrogen bonding will appear at 3100 to 2600 per centimeter. Now let us see the IR spectra of carbonyl compounds. The C double bond O group is a most important functional group in the IR spectrum because of strong stretching band at near 1700 per centimeter. So the actual position of the bond depends upon the nature of the groups attached to these carbonyl group. So the carbonyl group present in variety of organic compounds like ketones, aldehydes, carboxylic acids, amides, ester can be found out using the absorption frequency. For ketones, it exhibits the following absorption bands due to stretching and bending vibrations. First, we will see about the C double bond O stretching vibration. The carbonyl stretching occurs at the region of 1730 to 1645 per centimeter. C single bond C stretching, and C single bond C double bonded O and C single bond C bending occurs at the absorption region of 1300 to 1100 per centimeter as multiple bands. For aliphatic ketones, the range is 1230 to 1100 per centimeter, but for aromatic ketones, it absorbs at a higher frequency. Moving on to aldehydes, it exhibits the following absorption bands. The carbonyl stretching in aldehydes usually occur in the region of 1740 to 1690 per centimeter. The value is higher for corresponding ketones, which is 1730 to 1645 per centimeter. And the presence of electronegative substituent at the carbon increases the carbonyl absorption. So when we consider the trichloroacetaldehyde, it absorbs around 1768 per centimeter, but acetaldehyde, which has no halogen group, absorbs at 1730 per centimeter. So the presence of halogen increases the absorption frequency. The double bond in the compound, which is in conjugation with the carbonyl groups, gives 30 per centimeter shift to lower frequency, and the band will appear near 1710 to 1685 per centimeter. Consider the CH stretching and CH in-plane bending vibration. The CH stretching appears as a weak intensity doublet in the region of 2830 to 2695 per centimeter, and CH in-plane bending will appear near 1390 per centimeter. The aromatic aldehydes containing the electron withdrawing groups in the ortho position will appear in the region of 2900 per centimeter. Moving on to the CH out of plane bending vibrations, it appears as a weak band in the region of 975 to 780 per centimeter. The next important application is direction of hydrogen bonding in organic molecules. So the free hydroxyl groups and also the phenols in the vapor phase appears as a sharp band at 3650 to 3580 per centimeter, but the hydrogen bonded OH lowers the absorption frequency and will appear at 3590 to 2600 per centimeter. So this IR spectra can be used to distinguish between the inter and intramolecular hydrogen bonding by using the effect of dilution. Intermolecular hydrogen bondings are concentration dependent, and also it increases as the concentration of the solution increases. So an additional broad band will appear at 3500 to 3200 per centimeter along with the sharp free OH band at 3650 to 3580 per centimeter. So considering an example, the spectra of ethyl alcohol in carbon tetrachloride concentrated solution, it gives two OH absorption band. One appears as a short band at 3620 per centimeter and another as a broad band at 3360 per centimeter. So it can be shown in the figure. On dilution, the intermolecular hydrogen bonds are broken. So the broad band of OH at 3360 per centimeter decreases and finally it disappears. So in dilute solution of ethyl alcohol, only one high intense absorption band appears at 3620 per centimeter because of free OH. And intramolecular hydrogen bonds are independent of concentration. So on dilution, the absorption band remains unaffected. So it can be referred from the figures. In concentrated solution, two bands appear, and in dilute solution, one band disappears and only the free OH band is observed. Moving on to the next example, the infrared spectra of concentrated solution of methyl salicylate. It gives an absorption band at 3077 per centimeter. It is due to intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Again, this intramolecular hydrogen bonding is independent of concentration, so the dilution will not affect the IR spectra. So that is shown in the figure. In concentrated solution of 1.0 molar and in dilute solution of 0.03 molar, no variation occurs. Thank you.